In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sequences and automation rules. We're going to walk through the basic process of setting up an automated sequence, then connecting it to a rule so the right people are enrolled automatically. This is a simple but powerful workflow because it helps you save time and makes sure your contacts receive the right follow-up without you needing to do everything manually. To begin, go to the automation area of your platform and open sequences. From there, click New Sequence to create a fresh automation. This is where you'll build the series of messages you want to send over time. Add your messages one by one, keeping in mind the goal of the sequence and the order in which each message should be delivered. As you build, set the delay intervals between messages. These delays determine how much time passes before the next message is sent, so think carefully about pacing. If the messages are meant to nurture a lead or onboard a new contact, spacing them properly can make the sequence feel much more natural and effective. Once your sequence is set up, the next step is to create the automation that will trigger it. Go back to the automation section and open rules. Then click New Rule. A rule connects an event to an automatic response. In other words, it tells the system what should happen when a certain condition is met. Now set your trigger. This is the event that starts the automation. For example, you might choose something like a tag being applied to a contact. After that, set your action. The action is what the system should do once the trigger happens. A common example is subscribing that contact to the sequence you just created. This is what links the rule to your automated message flow. After you've selected both the trigger and the action, review everything carefully to make sure the setup matches your intention. Even a small mismatch here can send people into the wrong automation, so it's worth taking a moment to double check your settings. When everything looks correct, save the rule and activate it. Activating the rule is what makes the automation live. From that point forward, whenever the trigger condition is met, the system will automatically carry out the action you define. That's it. You've now created a sequence, connected it to a rule, and turned on an automation that can run for you in the background.